Hello and welcome to my submission for physics fails in Hollywood. My name is Antonio and my video seeks to explore the success or failure of the utilization of lightning as a source of power in the film Back to the Future. The scene in question takes place during the secondary climax of the film where Marty, a boy who time traveled back to 1955 using a DeLorean time machine, seeks out the help of its creator, Dr. Emmett Brown, to return him to his home time of 1985. To do so, Dr. Brown explains to Marty that 1.21 gigawatts of power is needed to activate the flux capacitor, the device that allows the DeLorean to time travel. Dr. Brown deduces that a bolt of lightning should provide the necessary current to generate the power needed to achieve the required 1.21 gigawatts. Since Marty is from the future, he tells Doc Brown that a bolt of lightning happens to hit the clock tower in the town square at 10:04 p.m. in a few days. According to Ohm's law, the power consumed by an element can be calculated by the square of the current in a wire times the resistance of the wire carrying the current. Based on the material the wire is made of, the length and cross-sectional area of the wire, we can calculate the resistance of the wire. According to several studies, lightning on average can deliver a charge of 15 coulombs over 1/5000th of a second. Since current is a difference in charge over time, this gives us a total current of 75,000 amperes. Next, to determine the resistance of the cable, I use this frame in reference to Doc Brown's hand to measure that the cable he is using is 4 centimeters wide and 13 millimeters in diameter. I am referring to the overall width and thickness of both cables. The area would be calculated to be 5.2 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared. Based on the characteristic braided pattern, this appears to be aluminum cabling, which has an accepted known resistivity of 2.82 times 10 to the negative 8 ohms per meter. Based on the height of the clock tower and how far the road is from where Marty needs to hook to complete the circuit, I estimated that Doc Brown is using about 50 meters of said cable. Putting it all together, the resistance is calculated by taking the resistivity of the material times the length divided by the area of the cable. This gives us a total resistance of 2.1 milliohms. Now for the moment of truth. With the current running through the cable multiplied by the resistance of the cable, the power delivered to the car would be about 15 megawatts, which unfortunately falls short of the required 1.21 gigawatts. Some benefit of doubt could be placed on the internal resistance of the DeLorean and the flux capacitor within it, but I doubt altogether could generate the remaining gigawatts needed to achieve the desired effect. I reverse engineered how much cabling would be needed to deliver the necessary power, and utilizing the same size cable, Doc would have needed 3,965 meters. But that would have made the moment a bit anticlimactic, wouldn't it? However, Marty would have gone home. Thank you for watching my submission on Physics Fails of Hollywood. Please like and share the video to submit your vote. Thank you.